Hello guys, welcome to Global Online. Today we are breaking down must-know MCQ for CTET exam with quick and easy explanation. These questions can be a game changer for your success. Let's get started. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course, covering all the subjects with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs, and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. Question is, where are red blood cells produced from the following? We have options for this question. Option A, bone marrow. Option B, liver. Option C, spleen. And option D, pancreas. Guys, the correct answer will be option A, bone marrow, because red blood cells are primarily produced in bone marrow, especially in the flat bones and the end of long bones. This process called hematopoiesis ensures a continuous supply of oxygen carrying cells in the body. So the correct answer is option A, bone marrow. Let's move to the next question. The worm that helps in aerating the soil by providing a large supply of air and keeping the air circulating is called the farmer's friend. We have option for this question. Option A, rat. Option B, ant. Option C, earthworm. And option D, snails. Guys, the correct answer is going to be option C, earthworm. The reason is earthworm are called farmer's friend because their burrowing action improves soil aeration, allowing air and water to penetrate the soil more effectively. They also decompose organic matter, enriching the soil with nutrients. So the correct option for this question is option C, earthworm. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following crops have nodules on their roots? We have option for this question. Option A, wheat. Option B, rice. Option C, sorghum. Option D, gram. Guys, the correct answer will be option D, gram, because it is leguminous plant that has root nodules containing nitrogen fixing bacteria. These bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form of the plant, enriching the soil fertility. Other crops like wheat, rice do not have such nodules. So the correct option is option D, gram. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following plants grow faster than the others? We have options. Option A, mango. Option B, coconut. Option C, eucalyptus. And option D, bamboo. Guys, bamboo is one of the fastest growing plant in the world, with some species capable of growing up to 35 inches per day. In comparison, plants like mango, coconut and eucalyptus grow much slower. So the correct option is option D, bamboo. Let's move to the next question. The hanging roots of banyan tree are an example of which type of roots? We have options here: storage root, tap root, aerial root, and option D, fibrous root. The correct answer is going to be C, aerial roots, because the banyan tree produces aerial roots which grow from the branches and hang down into the soil. These roots help the tree in stabilizing itself by anchoring to the ground. Over time, the aerial roots become thick and support the tree, allowing it to grow larger. This adaptation is useful for banyan tree as it often grows in areas with shallow soil or where it needs extra support to stay upright. So the correct answer is option C, aerial root. Let's move to the next question. The BCG vaccine is administered as a preventive measure for which disease? We have options here: cholera, malaria, tuberculosis, and option D, cancer. Guys, the BCG vaccine is used to prevent tuberculosis, that is TB, a bacteria infection that primarily affects the lungs. It is particularly given to children in areas where TB is prevalent. The vaccine helps in building immunity against the disease. So the correct option for this question is option C, tuberculosis. Let's move to the next question. Green plants in water are beneficial for aquatic life because they, option A, release oxygen, release carbon monoxide, release nitrogen, and absorb nitrogen. The correct answer will be option A, release oxygen, because green plants in water like algae and aquatic plants undergo photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is essential for the survival of aquatic animals, helping them to breathe and live in the water. So the correct option is option A, release oxygen. Let's move to the next question. Wheat contains dash dash as its protein. We have options here. Option A, globulin. Option B, lactogen. Option C, glutenin. Option D, glucose. Guys, the correct answer will be option C, glutenin, because wheat contains a protein called glutenin, which along with gliadin forms gluten when mixed with water. Gluten provide elasticity to the dough, allowing it to rise and giving bread its chewy texture. So the correct answer is option C, glutenin. Let's move to the next question. Bile secretion is the main function of dash dash. We have options here. Option A, gallbladder. Option B, stomach. Option C, liver. Option D, salivary glands. Guys, the liver is responsible for secreting bile, which helps in the digestion and absorption of fats in the small intestine. Bile is stored in gallbladder before being released into the digestive system. So the correct answer is option C, liver. Let's move to the next question. The effective medicine for leprosy is, options are given: A, dapsone, B, primaquine, C, insulin, and option D, streptomycin. Guys, the correct answer is dapsone. The reason is dapsone is an antibiotic used to treat leprosy, which works by killing the bacteria responsible for disease. It is commonly used as a part of combination therapy to prevent the development of resistance. So the correct answer is option A, dapsone. That's it for today, guys. We hope this MCQ and explanation boosted your preparation and cleared those tricky concepts. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exam focused content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Remember, every question you master takes you one step closer to CTET success. See you next time. Keep learning and stay motivated. Bye-bye.